Hey guys, quick video responding to the interest in importing animations and models from other games. First thing you want to do is you import your model. Mine's an FBX, although .day might work. The reason why .fbx I think why it matters is because your bones here are turned into dummies. So I think that might be why it needs to be an FBX or something like that, but I don't know. Regardless, it works. Then you want to put in a dummy, right? So, and then parent your mesh and your bones to that dummy, and then you can move it up. And as you can see, our animations are still good. We want to just move all this crap up. Cool. And then we want to rotate it 180 degrees. Cool. Animations are still good, and we want to leave it parented. And then you can just rename it like pretty much whatever you want, right? But weird dummy or something like that. That's typically what it's called, right? And we're gonna go. This will look like this inside the game. The only other thing I've already done, because I was working on this morning, was set all the animations, right? But if you're testing it, I think you could just do like CPause and like 0 to 60, right? And then export it and test it out in game. Some of these models, I think it depends on the model, really. I've had to ignore the sanity checks. It's ended up okay. I know everybody's crazy about doing that. I don't know. It's worked for me and the models I've done so far. But yeah, that's it. That's all. That's literally all you have to do. I do all my scaling before I import because all the scaling techniques I've tried so far has worked on everything but the animations. So the bones go down, the bones will scale down, the mesh will scale down, but for some reason the animations won't scale down. They'll be all big. So you imagine this, like this thing moving where it is now, but gigantic, as if the model is actually still big. I've been told that the scale wizard works, and it has worked. Corrine said that she used it for her Tonberry, but it did not work for my Grat model. But yeah, that's all you have to do. Oh, and one extra thing, I'm not sure if it actually matters. You want to make sure that you can, and this probably only matter for shadows, adding an Aurora Trimesh, and then making sure it's below skin. I think skin has to be, for skin modifiers have to be on the top. There apparently is a couple bugs that Corrine encountered when she didn't do this, so you want to make sure you do that. And you're good to go after that. You just export and test. You don't need this light or camera. I lied. Of course, you want to put the root dummy under the Aurora base, and then you're good to go. But it's easy as that. That's all we did. I know it's a little strange for most. And yeah, in theory, I think you could, like a few of you were talking about, you could just delete the mesh, right? And then use these as an animation, put whatever you want on here. It'd probably be a skin meshing nightmare. Well, this would be. I'm sure there's animations that are the rigging that wouldn't be that way. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Thanks, guys.